Where are you, Sanguini?
Oh my god.
I'm Ah! Let's go! We could finally wield 3 kinda heavy weapons. 10 pounds, 13 pounds, which I kinda didn't. 11 technically, you know. 1.5 if you want to count that. And then the halberd, which is probably 10.5. Hey, not bad. We could finally use all 5 of them. Yeah, look at that. Now doesn't that look nice? Now to be honest, no, actually that's pretty much it, you know. Whew. What we really need now is the Crucible Knight sword. You know what I mean? You know, so it's the obviously the shield and then the sword, right? Now that I think of it, I might as well put this baby back to the main weapon. Then put this one over here, and then over here. Because I'm gonna be honest, I haven't really used the Celuria tree, even though it's a it should be a what's it called? A crucible. Yep, there it is. It's a Crucible Knight you know, weapon. Celuria tree weapon of 1 of 2, honored as foremost among the Crucible Knights. Yeah, Celuria as well. That's pretty much what the dude was using, you know. Let's see. Okay, I did not mean to do that. But you basically shoot like a little piss beam. Nope, wrong one. But the guy who actually used this didn't have like a shield. There you go. That looks, or that will look pretty cool eventually. But yeah. Now what do I want to do? Okay, so we're done with the Haley tree. We're done with Malenia. I did say we were going to visit her brother, and that is somewhere in Nokron City, if I'm not wrong, because that is where he is. So, but first things first, what I am gonna do is just, you know what? Screw it. Okay, we're gonna go to Mohg. I wanted to do the fire giant right now, but I kind of want to save that for like an ending, you know, to an episode, and then, you know, because we gotta end in a good note. So yeah. Okay, so after much wiki, because I can't bother to remember, we're apparently supposed to go to some type of ruin nearby the concentrated snowfield. I kind of already marked it in. Yes, there it is. So we're just gonna go ahead over there. Actually, yeah, let's just go ahead. We'll worry. Wait a minute. No. Let me level up first. Okay, so I think we're getting close by. Oh, hey, look, another bear. Actually, now that I think of it, there's supposed to be like a smaller little statue around here that you could break. Here it is. Alright. Here it is. Supposedly this is where we're going to fight a, yeah, the Sanguini Noble. Let's just get rid of that guy real quick. So, where are you, Sanguini?
Oh my god.
Why do you take so much damage? Alright, seriously, we're... Oh, hey! Wow, this weapon is... Woo! Long range! My favorite. Alright. Alright. Good stuff. Let's take this for now. Alright, this guy's pretty easy. Not much of a, do it! Wow. Okay. I'm gonna die by these guys. Woo! Alright. All's okay. Sanguine Noble. I don't really remember fighting this guy, but hey, it doesn't even matter. We are done. Alrighty, so we're right here. It got dark for... Whew! And here it is. The Mohg Palace. And there's the little thing we're supposed to go to. So again, this is pretty much a lot more running. We can summon torrents, so that's good. We could skip a bunch of these guys. Right. So, first things first, we kind of have to find a grace, which, no surprise there, here it is. Now, if you guys remember, at the beginning, there was an NPC, and this is the place where we're going to kill him. Now, everything here basically is... If you think the crows in Caelid were messed up, the crows in here are even more messed up, because not only does it have Caelid blood, it also has blood. That's Caelid blood. So, but actually, if you saw this guy just now, he was kind of like using an arrow. Let's see if we could kind of do the same thing. I mean, a little overkill for what we're supposed to do. But can you not? Okay, and then... So what you want to do is aim at this guy. You don't really have to aim at his head. But this will get his attention. He's going to run over here. He falls. And then you get like 10,000 runes, I believe. Yeah. Somewhere around there. So this is this could also be a you know, a farming spot. I mean, 10k runes. That's quite a bit. You know what I mean? So can we level up with this? No, we can't, unfortunately. But that's okay, because we don't really need to level up as much anymore. Anyways, as I was saying, we're pretty much going to be running again for the most part. But I guess I might as well show you guys. I believe this spot is also a very good spot to farm. But that is not going to be our objective right now. Our main objective is to get to some little platform that we can get to, so that we could fight Mohg, you know. Or I'm wondering, maybe I should save Mohg for... Is this a nerd death room? Really? Okay, well... I don't really want to mess up... Oh, hey! Here it is. So, this is where you're supposed to go. And I believe this is where you fight Mare. That's what his name is, at least. Is it, actually? I'm not... Oh, perfect. Another grace. Alright. So, I guess I was wrong. Or maybe you're supposed... Oh my god. Or maybe you're supposed to find Mare in another place. Oh god. Please. Everything here basically just will, you know, proc a blood proc. And you don't really want to get hit by that, because I mean, it just deals a lot of damage. Well, what can I say, really? It deals too much damage, and yeah, for the most part, we're going to be running away from here. There's a stake of Marika, so that's how you know you're going to be dying a lot, for the most part. Therefore, we're going to put this, because, yeah, I'm probably a little afraid, not gonna lie. That is totally fine, though. So, we want to go over here. Oh, hey! I believe this is the... Okay, no, never mind. I thought this was the map for the place, but it isn't. I'm pretty sure we're supposed to go over there on that side. Yes. Yes, we do. We're going to skip these guys. Oleg! Oh, there's the exit. But right before we get this, Nice, 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 nice. Good job, Oleg. Anyways, we're supposed to see another... Yeah, there's the Grace. Here's another Grace. And just like that. Now, way over there, you're going to see like a lever. You're supposed to pull it. I'm going to come up with a little more plan just so I can make the episode a little longer and save Mohg as the final boss. Although, to be honest, it'll probably take me as long, or a pretty long time to even defeat him, you know. But yeah, this is the Mohg Dynasty. I already showed you where it is. I don't really think I need anything to do here. So I'll just tell you guys what it is I want to do for today. I mean, even if you guys care. I haven't gotten to this part yet, right? There's supposed to be a boss that drops a good weapon here. So that's where we're going to go for now. Alrighty. And, well, we're here. And I see a Grace. I think it's right there, in fact. Yeah, I think I just hit the mark. Now, if I'm not wrong, there should be an opening just right around here. Yeah, bingo. Here we go. Like this and this. So, where we're supposed to go is go right there. There's like a little entrance. You could obviously see the little bridge, the wooden, you know, beams and all of that. That's where we're trying to go. We're trying to go there. Let's see. What the hell is... Oh, right. Okay, well, we are trying to go there, but okay, to be honest, I don't really remember where it is I'm supposed to go. So okay, somewhere around here there should be an opening. Maybe it's over here, who knows. I'll go over there next time. Okay, well, obviously you're not supposed to be here. That's okay. Ah, bingo, baby. Don't do anything. Okay, thank you. Does this guy climb? He doesn't climb. Okay, good. That would have looked a little weird with his posture and all. We're going to skip this guy. I totally didn't see this guy. Yes, okay. We are going the right way. Nope. Nope, don't touch me. Hello. I'm going to skip you. And I can no longer skip you. No! Okay, he doesn't deal too much damage, but still, I don't want to mess with that. Block 'em, boys. Block 'em, boys. Whew! You guys are doing a good job. Alright. So, we're not supposed to be there. Oh. There's some stairs. Perfect. Is that where we're supposed to go? I'll take that as a yes. I hate flat rolling. There we go. I really hope I don't have to see a Revenants. As I say that, can you not? Oh my god! There we go. There we go. Just one more hit. Just one more hit. Shit. There we go. Everything should be easy now. Yeah, screw you, man. Okay, so we're not supposed to be here. Okay, maybe we're supposed to go up here. Yeah. Okay. Please don't. It'd be really embarrassing to die at this point. Stop that. Oh my god. Just heal up, please. Okay, and it's still not here. Oh! I found it! I found the place! This is where we're supposed to go, right? Yes? Okay. So that took a while. A lot longer than I initially wanted it to be. Okay, so after this point, I think it should be pretty easy on where it is we're supposed to go. Not over there, obviously, but up here. Why is everyone dying over here? I don't know. Ah, I see. I will always kill dogs. I hate dogs. Hello, Noble. I'm just going to skip you. And I'm not gonna fight you. We're going the wrong way. We're still going the wrong way. That's fine. Hello. Just run. Is this the stretch point? It probably is. Hello? Oh god. Let's see. Just run. Oh! Okay. We did it, baby. Hey, they fall. Stupid mutts. Okay. Here's a Steak America, and here is Patches. Hey, Patches. You know, I really wonder what it is that he's doing here. You know, so he's supposed to be in Volcano Manor, you know, if you don't destroy it.
I should have stopped. No matter. Gullible, he makes certain.
About that.
It's nothing, it's just... Come on, Tanith.
So, apparently this is the point where he kind of like feigns it. Feigns that he dies. But a lot of people think that he's actually alive, you know what I mean? So anyways. I fought this guy not too long ago, but here he is. Okay, that's fine. Oh, okay. Forgot how fast that weapon is. Okay. Damn it. He's gonna charge or not, that's fine. Okay, we're all good. What? Excuse me? Well, that was bull. It's fine. That's not fine. Because I'm in a corner. There we go. He still has that range, that's crazy. Bro. Okay, I'm not gonna... I'm not gonna lie, if it wasn't for my vigor, I most likely would have been stuck here for a very long time. Anyways, we got a good strong greatsword. I'll be honest though, I believe you need arc to wield it, right? 23 arc, and we are nowhere near that because we have 11. So okay. Finally, we're gonna go to go fight Mohg. Mohg, yeah. But before that, actually, no. Let's just go. Okay, so Mohg. Oh, that's right. I was kind of supposed to wrong place. I was kind of supposed to get his shackle. Okay, look. I'll get it if it's really, really difficult to defeat him. I beat Malinia. I think I could handle this guy. Supposedly there is a Wondrous Fist. Yes, this one I believe. That, you know, will nullify basically his second phase. I won't use it for now. But I'll basically show you guys, you know, what's up. And before that, I'm going to level up stuff. Okay, so we're done with that. I'm not really quite sure if whatever's over there is worth it, and it is a chest, and I don't have a lot of runes. Hello, boys. Hello, boys. Hello, boys. Hello, perfumer. Oh, that's worth it. That's totally worth it. That is totally worth it. Okay. Oh, please don't. No. Alright. So far, not off to a good start. To be honest. No! I'm in danger! Oh god! Boys, come on. We can talk about this. Alright, there we go. So far, off to a worse start. But, let's go. If you thought the Mohg in the sewers was, you know, troublesome, you're gonna find that this guy is a lot more troublesome. One, because he flies, you know, apart from his... So that's Mikola, by the way. Yeah. That is a very, very long limb. But, okay, supposedly what happened is that Mikola tree, right, she was in there. She was actually becoming, you know, the tree, the Helic tree. Something to help out Malinia, you know, cure her of the rot, you know, get rid of the influence of the rock goddess, or rock god, whatever it's called. And Mohg, whenever, you know, Melina wasn't looking, or something happened where he basically ripped the cocoon and brought her here, made him his husband.
Dearest Mikola, you must abide alone a while. Welcome, honored guest, to the birthplace of our dynasty.
You must abide by yourself for a bit. Welcome, guest. Don't you think that's a little weird? That is so... It's like a big old jump in voice acting or whatever. Ah, yes, I totally forgot. We're still okay. We're still okay. Okay, first things first. We're going to put this on because he is going to be hitting us quite a bit. Alright. No! Okay, that's fine. Still fine. Whew. Oh god. Oh, and the tres, dos, and uno. That the voice actor and the directors of the game really, that part is just cool. I think everyone can really agree. Every time I come like into an Elden Ring stream or something like that, the whole chat is basically, you know, going with that's unfortunate, and saying like with Mohg, you know, tres, dos, uno. That's unfortunate. Come on, come on. Oh no, I messed up. Yeah, I messed up. Usually he does like impale or another strike. He's gonna do it up. Wait, are we gonna die? Holy crap, I think we're gonna die. I don't have enough blast to negate his that's fine. Okay, and you guys fought this guy, you know what's coming up once the Uno hits. So let's see if we could save as much flasks as we can, because at the very least this guy needs like 3 flasks to, you know, beat his all-powerful freaking weapon. And again, you could nullify it by using a flask recipe. So this guy initially isn't too hard. The only hard part about him is the fact that he just lays a bunch of traps and you can't just, you know, oops. And what was I saying? Oh yeah, he just lays a bunch of traps that you just can't pass through, which is the only really hard part about this guy. Yeah, that's on me. That's on me. That's totally on me. Don't get hit. That's why you can't just really, you know, approach him. Yeah. Come on. Because if you do touch this thing, I mean, not only do you get damage, fire, but you also get like your blood meter pretty high, and you would think it goes away pretty fast, you know, but it, for some reason, it lasts like twice as long. There we go, finally. Okay, here it is. Alright, we did it. And then on his second phase, he just, every swing throws, throws blood pools. Every time, man. That's fine. Oh no. Okay. Usually my strat in this case would be just to pretty much, and we ran out of flasks, by the way, and we didn't even use our. Okay. My plan, or my usual strategy, damn it, my usual strategy for this guy is to pretty much, roll into him. You always kind of want to go into him, because if you roll back, you'll get hit by the blood pools. Oh no. Okay, and am I still healing? I'm not healing at all. Okay. So we gotta do something real quick. It's fine, that's fine. You know what? We just might actually do this. Never mind, I spoke too soon. Never mind. Oh! No, 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 you're not supposed to do that. Like I said. No! Okay. Okay. So now I'll just show you guys the natural counter to his 3-2-1. That's basically using the cracked bubble tier, something like that. Okay, so which one did I want out of these two? That. So it's apparently this thing, the open line hard tier. Yeah. I at first didn't know about it, obviously, so we're gonna have to save that. I didn't use a hard tier in my last fight, or in the last game is what I meant. But yeah, and I still beat him. That's probably because I had more flasks, and it also healed a lot more as well. So, but there we go. That's going to be the hard counter for that move specifically. But yeah, for the most part, I'm going to be skipping parts of this fight, obviously, because it takes a while to even like do something with this guy, because he throws a bunch of traps and stuff like that. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Excuse me! Excuse me? Is this not the okay. Hold on. So that wasn't the counter to it. Oops. Okay, so real quick, we're just going to be doing a little bit of well, we need the Margus Shackle. First of all, we need the Margus Shackle, and that is going to be getting it. Ah, okay, perfect. Okay. So where we're trying to go is that one little room right there. The only problem, there's two big ol' lobsters. Those lobsters are very, very they're very difficult to deal with. So I kind of don't want to deal with them as much. This guy, unfortunately, we're gonna have to. Nope. Okay, perfect. So anyways, we got the Margus Shackle. That's one done. Now, the next thing we're supposed to get, apparently, is not the hard tier, or whatever it's called, but it's called the Purifying Crystal tier. And this, we can find it dropped by Eleonora, Violet Bloodyfinger, at the Second Church of Marika, and Atlas Plateau. Okay. So, I guess we're going over there. Okay. And we're here. We should be getting off our horse right about now. Or not. Did I hear a dog? I hate you. Anyways, now that we got rid of that thing, we are supposed to get raided right around here. Nice. Sacred. Oh, it was a sacred tier. Yeah, around here is where we're supposed. There she is. Now, where is she? Thank you, Eleonora, for your great sacrifice. Now give me that purified tier. There it is. Now, what is so special about this thing that I can use it? Let's see. Purify. Purifies the Lord of Blood's curse in a mixed physic. Oh, I see. No wonder. Okay. Well, whatever. We got the purifying blood thingamajig. We're supposed to go down here now. Alright, Mohg. It is time to meet your maker. Look at this guy. Ho ho! You're approaching me? You damn right I am. Come on. There you go. Here we go. That's one. Woo, baby! Uh-oh. Oh, that could have been close. Alright. Okay. Woo, baby, let's go! 2 for 2. Basically, once these guys or the Omen brothers go to second phase, you can no longer use their shackle for whatever reason, right? Because they've been contacted by their gods or whatever reason. Come on, get closer. Okay, do not get closer. Oh my God, we're gonna do it. Famous last words. I gotta heal. And I gotta heal again. Come on, do the large overhead. Or not. Come closer. No, don't do that. Okay. Uh-oh. Wow, okay. How I didn't got hit? Ugh. That's so... no. I messed up. Oh, okay. No, please. Oh my God. That's fine. Oh my God, I'm goofed up. I goofed up so much. Bingo, baby. Oh. That's not good. At least I didn't get hit. Woo, baby, just enough. Oh, come on. Alright, right here. Right now. This is the game. This is the match. You're no Melina. You're just a kidnapper. A tree napper. A legit napper. As in napping, you know? You get it? Yeah. Just once. And do it again. And then jump attack. Oh. That could have been bad. Ah, baby. Here we go. So, anyways, before I leave, it's theorized that somehow, some way, we're supposed to interact with Mikola. Wait. Yeah, with Mikola. And we're supposed to get like the DLC. I'm not quite sure how that's gonna happen, you know, but a Mikola fight would be pretty cool. Is it though? I mean, she was a child before she was a tree. So how is that gonna work? You know, not saying that a child could beat me, but I could definitely beat up a child. Well, anyways, apart from that, I didn't pop my cold pickle foul. That's fine. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. The next episode, I'm pretty sure you guys know what we're going to do. We're gonna go right here. And to be honest, I'm not quite sure. You know what? Yeah. I do know what we're gonna do. Next episode, we're gonna fight the fire giant, and then we're going to fight God. Well, technically, I didn't count him, but it's what's his name? Gideon. Yeah, Gideon, and then Godfrey. So, yeah, look forward to that. So, I hope you guys take care. Have a good day. Have a good night. good night's sleep and all that. So yeah, bye bye.